Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a connected display and admin access. Open display settings now. This is where resolution and scale live. You'll change size by adjusting scale first, because it affects UI clarity, and then tweak resolution to match native pixels for sharpness. Once done, make sure to choose the recommended resolution if available, or a common aspect like 16:9. If using multiple monitors, pick the target screen before changing values so only the intended display updates. You now fine-tune size. Change scale to increase or decrease UI elements. Use 100% for native size, 125% or 150% for larger text and icons. Then select the resolution that matches the monitor's native pixel count to keep text crisp. If elements still look off, use advanced or custom scaling and enter a decimal percent like 112, 5%, but test since some apps may blur. Make small adjustments and observe how both text and window layouts respond. You finish by applying changes and observing behavior for a few minutes. Sign out or restart if the system requests it to fully enforce scaling. If certain apps appear blurry, toggle the per app display scaling fix or disable custom scaling and try a supported preset instead. Should the display flicker or reject the resolution, revert immediately to the prior setting and pick the next closest supported option. One troubleshooting tip: keep a second device handy to research fixes if the screen becomes unusable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.